do not go in impulsive buying. Do not. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, what's up? My name is Maresa. If you are part of the fam, welcome back. So today's video is going to be me giving you guys some helpful tips on the Bath and Body Works semi-annual sale. So if you guys want to hear these tips, make sure you guys stay tuned. But before you go, you already know why, because I say this in every video. Make sure you guys thumbs up this video, hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned. Okay guys, so the semi-annual sale of Bath and Body Works is among us. Y'all, it starts on Saturday. If you are a part of the members, you have the app and everything like that, the membership, then we get a sneak peek of the semi-annual sale on Friday, starting at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I'm going to help you all with some tips that I feel, well, some tips that I think that should be helpful with the semi-annual sale. Some of these I wish I was told a while back, but it's okay. You live and you learn. So let's go ahead and dive in. Okay, so first helpful tip that I would say with semi-annual sale is to go through your collection first. I know with semi-annual sale, it gives all that impulse buying, like I see it, I gotta have it, I want it. Go through your collection of what you already have right now. If there are some things you'd like to restock up on, write those things down so you'll know going into the store, going online, these are the first things you should be picking up on, things you need back in your collection. Also, write down some things that you want. I'm pretty sure there are a lot of older collections that will be coming back, and even some that you want to try, because they kind of have put out certain ones of the newer collections that'll probably be exclusive to semi-annual sale. Check those. There are some few blogs that have them out there. Check out those blogs. If I can find the one that I saw some of the things from semi-annual sale on, I'll leave that down below. Look at some of those. Write down if some of those are some fragrances you like to try. Write those down. But most importantly, go through your collection and see things that you like to restock up on. Me personally, I like to kind of have backups of things, and I am a set girl. So I like to have the body wash or shower gel, the fine fragrance mist, and the body cream or body lotion. So when I go into my collection, I'm looking at if I'm missing one of those are the things I like to restock up on. Or if it's something I really like of that, I want to get a backup if I don't already have one. Most of the time, I like to just get an additional backup. I don't really feel the need to have 8 backups of one product. Just 4 is enough for me. So, and it has to be a really good fragrance for me to be able to do 4. So, yeah. Another thing I will say is if you are not close by a Bath and Body Works and you are a part of the membership, check online. It'll be available on Friday evening at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So you'll be able to get a sneak peek into that. I will say from my personal experience, when I looked online versus going into the store of semi-annual sale, day and night, literally day and night. Things that they had online was not in the store. It appeared to me with the stores that I went to, they had more inside the stores. And I understand and I get it. Everybody doesn't stay close to a Bath and Body Works. That's okay. Look at what you have online. And if those are some items you like to get, grab them. Grab them, grab them, grab them. One of the most helpful tips, if you don't take anything else out of this, I'm getting ready to drop some nuggets on you right now. If you don't take anything else, take this. When you see it, buy it. When you see it, buy it. What do you mean by that, Marisa? Exactly what I said. The top days to go semi-annual sale shopping, in my opinion, is within those first 5 days. Because let's say you go in on Saturday and you see some things, you don't want to impulse buy it, but you see they have beach nights. You've been wanting to try beach nights. You think beach nights is cool. You missed it the last semi-annual sale. Oh, well, I like it, but I don't know if I really want to buy it now. Well, I'll come back tomorrow. Well, guess what? You come back tomorrow, guess what? Beach nights is no longer there. Beach nights probably won't come back until the next semi-annual sale. When you see it, go ahead and buy it. It'll be so helpful, you guys. When you see it, buy it. And I know a lot of times at the top of semi-annual sale, people are not really interested in paying those prices. Well, it was $5.95 last week, so now it's $8.95 instead of $5.95. Guess what, sis? I'm gonna tell you how you kill 2 birds with 1 stone. Go ahead and buy it, and then of course the prices are gonna drop lower and lower each day. Once it gets to that price, go back in and get your price adjustment. You got your product and you got it for the price you want to pay for it. Easy peasy. So when you see it, buy it. When you see it, buy it. It has happened to me and I was like, oh, I should have got it when I saw it. That's how you have to navigate through semi-annual sale. You have to get it as soon as you see it. Now, I'm excited for some of the fragrances that are coming back. I did see that they were bringing Juniper Breeze back. I have not seen Juniper Breeze in so long. She used to have me in a choke hold. Do you hear me? When I did see on the blogs they were bringing her back, I was like, great. I definitely will get me a set of that. I don't think I need a backup because that was usually like my little go-to back in high school. So it's good to just probably get 1 set of it. Some of the other fragrances that I hope that they will come back out. Let me grab some of those right now. Okay, now I hope they bring back strawberry snowflakes. All I really want out of this collection, I still have my 5 fragrance mists. I mean, literally, I'm still kind of up at the top. I really haven't put a huge dent into it like that. But I really hope that I didn't get the shower gel. I didn't complete my set during the winter months. I didn't complete my set. And so by the time I was going to be able to complete it, girl, it was gone. So it was okay. And I have the small body cream. So if I can get like a large body cream and a shower gel to complete my set, then I'm good. Another one I want to complete my set is Pink Suede. If you guys have not heard me rant on about this fragrance from the last semi-annual sale, I will try to leave a card up here about that. This is such a pretty fragrance. All I was able to get in this was the body creams, and girl, I stocked up on these. I literally have worn this with so many different fragrances. If I could just complete my set with this, I would be good to go. Another one is Summer Melody. I was able to get the shower gel, this, and a body lotion and a dry shampoo. But I would love to complete this set with maybe a fine fragrance mist. And this smells so good. Like, I'm ready to like rock this out this summer. I purchased a couple of fragrances that I think would pair up with this so well. So I hope they bring this back. Another one I'd like to complete is my Pinkberry Clouds. I bought this at the past semi-annual sale, and I got the body cream and the fine fragrance mist. Another one, I really haven't put a dent in it. I probably would get a backup of this. It smells so good. It's really fruity. The notes are strawberry spun sugar, marshmallow fluff, and fresh air. This smells so good. I would love to get like complete my set, or get like complete my set and possibly get a backup set. Another one is coconut cream pie. I have been babysitting this one because I was sad they did not come out with this one in the past in my annual sale, but I hope that they will come back out with this in part of this bakery collection. Another one where I would actually go for another backup is this iced lemon pound cake. This smells so delicious. I did not think I was gonna like this. I really didn't, but this is such a nice gourmand fragrance. I didn't get the other one that they had that came out with this collection. This one was pretty intriguing to me, and the way that it wears, and you could pair so many different fragrances with it. It just smells so yummy. So if they actually have this in store, it was online, that's how I ended up getting it. If they actually have this in store, I would definitely get a backup of this. Okay guys, so I think that's pretty good of the tips that I gave, if I do say so myself. So let's recap it up. Oh, before I forget, I almost forgot to tell you guys, this is like a bonus note right here, okay? If you don't do anything else with this in my annual sale, use your rewards. I almost forgot to tell you guys that. Use your rewards. If I have rewards that are really expiring after semi-annual sale starts and coupons that expire after semi-annual sale starts, use them. Because in my opinion, I honestly feel like, I know that there was an increase in the price with, I think at the beginning of this year. So I think the majority of the products that will be at semi-annual sale will still kind of hit that $16.95 and below. Let's keep our fingers crossed. I hope that it does. But if you're able to use your rewards while you're buying all these things, you're going to be accumulating points anyway. I have a 25% off coupon. I'm going to use that at semi-annual sale. Why not knock it down some more? I have some free ones, like a travel size one. I'm going to use those as well too. Because guess what? You've earned these free rewards. Use them, especially if they're going to be those that are going to expire after semi-annual sale starts. Take advantage of that. I know I am. All right, guys, so that is it. I hope and wish everyone has a safe and great, happy shopping for the semi-annual sale. I cannot wait till it starts. I cannot wait to Victoria's Secret starts theirs as well too. I probably won't be getting a whole bunch from either, or there'll probably just be some wants more than needs that I'll be getting. But yeah, I will probably be back with a haul. I'm not going to try to do a huge haul, but I'll be back with a haul. Leave down below some of the items and fragrances that you all hope comes back first in my annual sale. And yeah, thank you guys so much as always. And until next time, bye guys.